a shepherd boy. He was a liar. One day, he cried out when he was watching a flock of sheep near a village. Whoa, whoa! Then the neighbors came. What happened? Where is the wolf? Yeah, where is the wolf? The boy didn't answer the question. Then the boy laughing. Ha ha ha! Why? Why are you laughing? The boy didn't answer. Tell me what happened. Oh, you're afraid! Ha! I can't lie to you. Ha! What? You lied to us? Ha! I swear, we will not believe you anymore. Meh, meh. The sheep cried. Our whole people back to the village, but the boy still laughing. After that day, when the shepherd boy watching a flock of sheep, the wolf really came. So the boy shouted, "Help me, please!" No one paid attention. Hey, please do come and help me! The wolf is attacking the sheep. But no one believed him. Please come here and tell the truth. Finally, the wolf having no cause of fear, attacking the flock of sheep without any difficulty. Nobody will believe a liar, even he tells the truth.
Good afternoon, everyone. Now we are going to tell you about the ant and the grasshopper. Please enjoy. Once upon a time on a field, there lived a colony of ants and a grasshopper. The ant was a very eager living creature. It always collected food time after time. And the grasshopper was a very lazy creature. He always slept and laughed. One day, the ant was carrying the food, while the grasshopper was just looking at it. Hey, what are you doing? You come and go here and there. Don't you feel tired? Well, I'm working. Yeah, I know, but why are you working very hard? Cause I must prepare everything before winter. And why you don't prepare it? What? How? I can do that in winter. And why you prepare it now? We have winter food and present. Well, I don't want to work now. I'm enjoying the warm sunlight. So nice today. Well, it's up to you. But you will see better on winter. Days by days passed. The ants were still busy working. Then the winter came. The colony of ants were enjoying their food in the shelter. Warm and nice. They talked while eating and dancing. But at the other place, the grasshopper was dying from hunger. He is crying. Oh, if only I had food at the moment. Help me please. I'm hungry. But no one came to help. He was all alone, hungry and poor. He then realized that it is very important to save for the rainy days. Good afternoon, everyone. Now we are going to tell you about the tortoise and hare. Please enjoy. Long time ago, in the forest, there lived a tortoise and a hare. They were friends. However, they had very different characters. The tortoise was so humble and nice, while the hare was so arrogant and boastful. He always bragged about himself. One day, he challenged the tortoise to race. Hello, tortoise. What's up? How's your day? It's fun. What happened? I challenge you to ride with me. Challenge what? Riding with me. Okay, I accept your challenge. That's a good joke. I'm not joking. I'm serious. Are you sure? You won't ever suffer till finish the race. Let's do to the winner. Ha! Then they start the race. At the beginning, they are happy. Left the tortoise behind. Slowly, the tortoise was crawling. I screaming. He ran so fast.
See, the tortoise run after me. Ha ha ha, silly.
But the hare was optimism wrong. Your hare thought that he can take back for a while without a pack, and the tortoise can run after him.
This condition to take a nap. I can't take a nap.
Then the hare took a nap. In the other side, the tortoise tried to rush her hare. Tortoise ran and ran until the tortoise got sleepy. The tortoise believed that he can watch the challenge. After the tortoise ran away, he saw that the hare was living under the tree. He felt so optimistic. He ran slowly toward the hare. Soon he reached the finish line. When the hare was woke up and he realized that the tortoise was on the line, then the hare screamed.
Oh no!
After the hare screaming, the hare ran so fast, trying to run after the tortoise, but it stole the hare. The tortoise can't reach the finish line faster than the hare. Yes, I win! Ha ha ha! Oh no, I regret that I was sleeping. Oh no! The hare regret so much. The hare realized that he shouldn't arrogant and underestimate others. This is the end.
Good afternoon, everyone. Now we are going to tell you about the crow and the fox. Good afternoon, everyone. Now we are going to tell you about the crow and the fox. Once upon a time, there is a crow that have the cheese. One day, the fox wants to put the cheese. I have a delicious cheese and I will eat it.
Can I ask?
No, this is mine.
Oh, please.
No, this is mine and I will eat it.
I will take the cheese from your mouth.
If you can. The crow put the cheese to the moon.
Oh, come on. Please, I'm very hungry. You know, you have a beautiful voice.
Really?
Yeah, I want to hear you sing.
Wow, amazing!
Oh, of course.
Can I start now?
Yeah.
And the crow started to sing, and the fox put the cheese from the crow mouth.
Yeah, your voice is very beautiful. I will take the cheese now.
Yay!
Haha, good boy.
Finally, the fox ran very fast after put the cheese.